today, a Nebraska WoodSTR. We're back to the pile. All the rounds are cleaned up, and I'll show you, we got the Woodyard cleaned up as well. Here we go. Hey WoodSTRs, my name is Mike. Well, as you heard, we're going to go after this pile here again, get a bunch of rounds knocked down in case we can get back from work decent time. Not sure, but here in an upcoming episode, we're going to start get that trailer underneath that processor and go after this wood, give her a good little workout. But anyway, dried up pretty nice up here. Did get the tractor out yesterday, so you can see behind me and around me without this sun being a total pain in the ass. Got the tractor up here and got all of this all snubbed up and all of the pieces put into the hole. The old mulberry pile, she's cleaned up. A little bit wet underneath there yet, but otherwise just dropped that blade and got everything kind of snubbed up, and all those ruts that we created in the mud all knocked down. So yeah, kind of nice up here again. So waiting for the next rain, but just kind of trying to stay ahead of it. But like I said, today we're going to go after these piles here. I did bring all of the saws. No, all but one of the saws. Got to see, I've got a couple of them that have been, I haven't ran in a while, and I think there's a reason why. So you'll see, I think that steel has some issues. Not sure what they are, but we're going to try and get that back at top of mind and get Sassman saws back to work. Husqvarna, same deal. She was overheating the last time, so I'll try that one. I got everything cleaned up on her and blown out, so we'll see if that was the issue there. And then, of course, the clone. So we're going to try and give her a little good workout, get some rounds in front of us so we can do some splitting in the evenings as time allows. So, all right, enjoy. All right. Nice little session right there. Still working our way into them piles. Still got a pretty good lean from up here down to this way, so we got to be careful. That's why we're working on the ends, staying out from in front of the piles. So I just need to step out of the way. A lot easier than trying to run out of the way. But did get the tractor up here, didn't break the pile apart too much. Didn't break it apart at all last night. But we get it back up here again. I might lay some of those out a little bit, make it a little bit easier to work around and just a little bit safer. So anyway, good little start here today. Starting to heat up nicely. Got a couple other things to do this Sunday here, so we're going to probably let you go. Thanks for coming along. Welcome to all you new subscribers out there. If you do me a favor, help support the channel and hit all the buttons. Like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you on the flip side.